Yeah, like stiff wig.
Yes. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, nowhere.
Stiff what?
Where?
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Courtney Janine, and if this is your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe down below and join the family. And if this isn't your first time, then welcome back, sis. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys another wig review. This time I'm going with Outre lace front wig in the style Sarita. So the thing about this wig is that it is actually a 2-in-1 style, so you can either wear it flipped up, which is what I am going for today, or you can wear it flipped under, so like a really cute bob. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. She has 2 combs, an adjustable strap, 2 combs in the front, an adjustable strap, and then a comb in the back. So let's see what she's looking like just fresh out the package, you guys. Wait, is it supposed to be like this side? Oh, she's cute. She's really cute. I like it, and it's already flipped up. See, that's why I like these types of wigs. What's all this extra hair though? Is that my hair? Child, I never be knowing. I'll be like, is it my hair or is it? Yeah, it is my hair. Okay, so we're gonna need to pull her up like right here. Oh, she's so cute, you guys. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So right off the bat, I really already am in love. I'm in love with it. Of course, I love this style, and I was going for this style. I will show you guys how you can flip it under too, but off the bat, yo, I'm here for it. I'm here for her. Sarita, call me Miss Sarita. Ooh, y'all, like, is it the makeup too? But I'm like in love with it. Like, I don't even want to you know, I don't even want to cut the lace yet. Like, I'm into it. Ooh, okay, you guys, so what I'm about to do is tint the lace. So off the bat, I feel like it is a little on the darker side. Like, the lace is a little bit darker than what I'm used to. I feel like the part is good. It's just a little bit dark. Okay, let me look at this again. Oh yeah, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, this is looking so cute already. I definitely am gonna have to like kind of flatten that top a little bit, but whoa, baby, I'm liking it. Sarita. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in and apply this lace. And what I'm gonna do basically, actually, I don't even think I need to glue it down, but I'm just gonna, basically what I do with these is I just glue down the part and call it a day, honey. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, come back and let you guys know my final thoughts.
You should've called me. You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me.
Okay, you guys, and this is the final look. What do you guys think about this wig, Miss Sarita by Outre? I got it in the color 1B, but it does come in some specialty colors, which are cinnamon mocha, golden honey, hazelnut honey, and strawberry gold. But of course, it does have those traditional colors like a 1, 1B, a 2. So that's really nice as well. I think not only are you getting 2 styles in one, because you can have it flipped up or flipped under if you would like. So you're getting 2 styles in one wig. It's heat resistant, so you can apply heat to this, even though you do not have to apply heat to get those 2 styles. So that's the benefit of this wig, is the fact that it is you're able to have two styles without doing any manipulation to it. Additionally, it says that it has pre-plucked Swiss lace parting, and I did not have to pluck the parts at all, and I feel like it is laying really flat. Of course, I did go in with my Sally Hansen airbrush legs, which is in the color medium glow. I also went in with my Sephora Micro Smooth just to make sure that that spray was set, and I used the color tan. It looks like this. And additionally, once it was on my head, I had to go in with a bit of concealer just to make sure that the line of demarcation was not visible. But after that, I feel like I really achieved a flawless application. And Outre, you did your thing with this. I freaking love this wig. Can't wait to wear it out after quarantine, or wear it in some more videos here on my channel. So let me know down below if there are any Outre or any other wig brands wigs that you are eyeing and would like me to review. I love doing wig reviews because I'm able to try different styles. I've been wanting to rock this flipped up 90s hairstyle for a minute, so I'm glad that Outre came out with this sort of wig. If you are looking for the video on this makeup look, it's coming, you guys. I think I'm gonna post this wig review first before I post this makeup look, but if I do it the other way around, then it's somewhere on my channel. Like I said before, if you guys are eyeing a specific synthetic wig that you would like me to try, drop it down below. I'm into trying new hairstyles, new hair colors. I feel like I always go with my 1B and my 1 because I just feel like it just suits me the best. But let me know if there's any hair colors you would like me to try. I can also do that as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.